Good evening, everyone. Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In this additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 14th, 2024. I've told you earlier, there's no extra puzzles in the in today's newspaper. No, it's the additional of the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, March the 13th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number. Let me see which number this will be. Well, I need. Okay. Need to position the camera first. Come on. Yeah. This will be number 8193. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one. It's indicated with 1 star, so I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This is an easy one with 15 printed digits. Alright? So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. Always a 1. Yeah, always a 1. Let me see. We have here a single box, always a 1, and here also a single box is already given. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Here dual box contains the 1 and 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. I do not know in which order. Same for here. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple box? Contains the 1. Oh, here we have also a dual box. Well, this box can be 2. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Alright. Triple boxes then. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, no triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. Cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. Here also a quadra box. Well, this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. My next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, you see this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. We have more? No. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? We have an L shape here. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have an L shape, another L shape, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 4 here. More L shapes. No, I overlooked this one. The first one here. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Overlooked. We have another one. Alright, then the following shape. We have 2 L shape more. No. Let me check. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Well, it's already given here. Here we have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, we have two of them. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the last shape, I believe, this shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes throughout the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes throughout the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be here then. Is connected with that box should be also 1. Is also connected with that box should be also a 1. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box should be also a 3. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then let me see. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. So 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 5. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. Is connected with that box should be so 1 and a 3. But we already have a 1 here, so it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. This box can be 1, this box can be 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright. Let me go up. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left, 1 numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. I think this box should be a 4 because in this quadra box it can be a 1, can be 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So 1 digit left should be the 4. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 4. Oh, wait. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there, and can be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. These two boxes can be 4. 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Whoa. Told you, need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow on Friday, last working day. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.